Hey, fellow garden hackers. Ever dream of a salad so fresh it practically jumps into the bowl? Well, today we're diving into the magical world of hydroponics, where dirt is just a distant memory and your lettuce grows faster than your Aunt Ray Dean's collection of garden gnomes. Let's do this. All right, first things first. This is our hydroponic system, the VIP lounge for lettuce. No soil, no mess, just pure hydro-powered goodness. If plants had tiny spa memberships, this would be their five-star resort. This little guy is the heart of the operation. If plants could talk, they'd say, "Hey, buddy, keep the water flowing and we'll keep growing." The tank was not part of the set, purchased through Amazon, so we used this stackable tote from Lowe's and cut the top for easy access and still provide protection for the mix. Now, don't just pour any random potion in there unless you want mutant lettuce with strong opinions on global economics. Stick to the proper hydroponic nutrients. We've had good luck with this product that is an easy one-part mix and has now lasted 3 seasons. Here's the moment of truth. Introducing our young lettuce recruits. We've gently placed them in their new home. No pressure, little guys, but we're expecting big things from you. Ah, these roots are thriving like a teenager eating takeout with unlimited Wi-Fi. Hydroponic lettuce grows faster than your neighbor deciding to mow the lawn at the worst possible hour. Give the plants some loving words of encouragement because science says talking to plants helps. And now the dramatic moment, harvesting, or as I call it, lettuce liberation day. Take your scissors, channel your inner salad artist, and snip these beauties at the perfect moment. There you have it. Lettuce so fresh it tastes like victory and also like lettuce. That's it, folks. You've witnessed the magic of soil-free gardening. If you like this, subscribe for more epic garden hacks because trust me, there's more weird and wonderful gardening goodness coming your way.